Every year, hundreds of infants and small children suffer from colds and coughs, mainly due to their weak immune system. In fact, within the first year of life, most babies will have a children pick up the various infection causing viruses through contact with an infected person or contaminated air or surfaces. So here are some home remedies for colds and coughs in babies. So number one is sponge bath. To reduce a fever in a small babies, give them a cool water bath or sponge bath to regular body temperature. A bath has the added benefit of relaxing your child and it will help to sleep better. For small babies, give a sponge bath 2 or 3 times a day. Soak a washcloth in room temperature tap water. Wring out the excess water and then sponge the armpits, feet, hands, and groin to reduce their temperature. Older children can take a cool bath or shower. Avoid using very cold water which may cause the initial body temperature to rise. So the number 2 is lemon. Lemon is another good home remedy. Being rich in vitamin C, lemon helps boost the immune system and assists the body in fighting colds and flu. Put the juice and peels from 4 lemons and 1 tablespoon of ginger slice in a pan. Add enough boiling water to cover the ingredients. Cover and let it steam for 10 minutes. Strain off the liquid, dilute the liquid with the equal amount of warm water. Dilute this liquid with an equal amount of warm water and add raw honey to taste. Give your child this hot lemonade to drink a few times a day. For babies younger than 1 year, add a sugar instead of honey for taste. So number 3 is warm chicken soup. For children older than 1 year, warm chicken soup is great option when suffering from cold or cough. The next is oranges. The vitamin C in oranges helps increase the production of white blood cells that fight off the cold causing germs. It also boosts the immune system to alleviate symptoms such as cough, sore throat, or runny nose. For children aged 2 years or older, give them 1 to 2 glasses of orange juice daily. For younger babies, dilute orange juice with an equal amount of warm water and give to them.